At the end of this video, I'm going to give you all the opportunity to win some absolutely free cash. Hey YouTubers, I was going to wait until I hit 1,000 subscribers to do this, but I thought, why wait? It's 2021, and in UK, some would argue that we have not hit the new year running, even though we're already halfway through the first month. But with COVID crisis still looming over us, it just seems right to announce my cash giveaway as a way to kickstart this year. There are many ways to get free cash, and I thought I would let you in on some of the secrets. Now, as I mentioned in my previous video, I have been inspired by the YouTube god that is MrBeast. How was I inspired, you may ask? Well, the philanthropic nature of his channel, where he gives money and gifts away to his friends and subscribers. So first things first, let's go and see how much I can get out of the cash machine.
Okay, let's see how much money I can take out.
Unfortunately, I'm not making any money from this YouTube channel yet. And yeah, I have a pretty good job, but I'm not quite financially in the position to start throwing money away crazily like Jimmy in his MrBeast videos. Especially when most of my spare cash is going into the stock market into my tax-free trading 212 account. Check out the link in the description to set up your own account to get a free share worth up to £100. So that's one of the first ways that you can actually get free money. You aren't guaranteed £100, but something's better than nothing. So if you haven't got a Trading 212 account yet, what are you waiting for? Use the link down below and register today. Now the second way to get free money that I want to tell you about today is dividend stocks. And I know I've talked about this in a lot of my previous videos, but it truly is the easiest and the only true passive income that I've ever come across. But let me break this down for you. If you put all of your money that you have at the moment in a bank account right now, in the UK the most you can probably get is maybe around 3% interest. However, what if you were to buy some shares in a dividend company instead? Well, if you go and do a little bit of research into the dividend company that you want to invest in, you will start to see your money increase in value as the company grows in value. So obviously, if you were to have bought the company that has done amazing this last year, Tesla, you would have seen an increase of 697%. But let's take a dividend stock, like Apple for instance. In the last year, if you bought shares in Apple, you would have seen a 63% increase on the stock value. But on top of that, as the company generates more profit, a small portion of that profit will also be distributed to you as a shareholder for free. Now, the richest people in the world say that you're not financially free until you're making money while you're sleeping. And the easiest way to do this is to own dividend stocks. Now, the third way to get free money that I'm going to talk to you about today is one that everyone is going crazy over at the moment, and that's Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is just one of those risky investments that if you had jumped on the bandwagon years back, you could be laughing right now. But the only thing you could do is just check all of your USB hard drives, because there's this one guy, James Howell, who accidentally threw out a hard drive with 7,500 Bitcoins on it back in 2013. And now that hard drive is worth $280 million, probably sitting in a dump yard somewhere. So that's going to be a little bit difficult to find. So the way in which I recommend you get some free money is to use my referral link down below to open up a Coinbase account. Now, this is one of the most well-known, safest and easiest to use platforms to be able to buy Bitcoin. Like I mentioned though, Bitcoin is still a very, very risky investment. So I wouldn't put all of your eggs in this basket. But at least you can get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free when you open up an account with Coinbase using my link in the description down below. And yet another free method comes down to referrals again. I'm starting to sound like a referral broken record. But last year, I managed to crawl away from the absolutely terrible energy company, EDF, after teaching them how to calculate my own energy usage. and I switched to Bulb. But something I didn't realise at the time was that if I had used a referral code, I could have got £50 completely free, and the person who referred me would have got £50 as well. So one thing to always remember is that it's a great idea to ask your friends and family if they have referral links before changing any regular bills, because there is a high likelihood that someone would have a referral code that can help you and them. And likewise, I'm plugging my Bulb referral code. Again, link in the description. But by switching to Bulb using my link, you can get £50 absolutely free. Okay, so the reason why you're probably still watching this video is this cash giveaway I've mentioned. And yes, the final free way to get money is through competitions. Now the best competitions are the ones where you don't need to pay anything, but you get a chance to win something. But like I said though, I don't have millions of pounds to just start throwing around crazy amounts of money. But like Russell Peters says,
50 cents a lot of money. You save 50 cents here, then maybe you go somewhere else, you save another 50 cents. Then you have $1. Then you take your dollar, you go to the dollar store, you buy something else.
now I've decided to give away a little more than $1 and actually give away £50 to one single viewer. But I've also decided to split this £50 into two. This means that I will transfer £25 directly to you, and then £25 will also get donated to a charity of your choice. Yes, I know it's not quite at the standards of MrBeast, but hey, it's something, right? And if I ever get monetized on YouTube, maybe I'll start giving away lots more money. But in order for that to happen, I need you to subscribe to this channel and like these videos so that YouTube will recommend my videos to lots of other people. So, how do you actually get the chance to win this no strings attached free money? Well, it's really easy. All you need to do is head over to www.cyganesh.co.uk/competition. This will take you to this page where you can fill in your details to enter, and once you've entered, you can then increase your chances of winning by doing a few actions, like subscribing to this channel, following me on Instagram, and sharing the competition with your friends and family. But also make sure you comment on this video or the Instagram post of the charity that you would like to donate to, and it would also be great to know why you chose that charity. Now this competition will only be running for a week, so at the end of the day, next Monday on the 25th of January, I'll be closing the portal to enter for this giveaway. And the week after, on the 1st of February, I'll be announcing the winner. So head over to the link now and tell all of your friends and family about this great chance to win some free money. Now that's it for today's video. I hope you find some free money, but at the same time, this isn't an exhaustive list. There's loads of ways, and I'll probably do more videos in the future about how you can get free money. Now don't forget to check out the links to all the ways in which you can get some free money down below, but most of all, don't forget to enter this cash giveaway. Or actually, it might be a good idea if you do forget. That way I get to save about £50. Either way, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so you get notified when my next video comes out. And don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and share with your friends and family. Love and peace to all of you. See you in the next video. Bye.